Hi there. I did say I was going to do another video just to show you what you can do with the Elgato MT green screen. This is it. So just to let you know, I am recording this directly within Zoom. I like to just try and show people what's possible with a little bit of know-how and yes, sometimes a little bit of an investment in kit. But if you are running, as I'm going to be next week, perhaps a training course, or you don't like sitting down all day, you get fed up doing your video call sitting down, you're the kind of person that likes to stand up. Um, Maybe you work in an agile team, maybe you actually are doing literally a stand-up meeting, daily stand-ups, your daily status updates, whatever. And I'm just going to quickly explain the setup that I've got here and how this works and how well it works. So like I said, I am recording this directly within Zoom. For the video, I'm using my normal Logitech webcam. So, all right, they're a bit more expensive than they normally are at the moment because of the current situation. But normally these things are not drastically expensive. And an external webcam I would always recommend really are worth it. The camera quality is that much better. They deal that much better with lighting. As you can see, I'm not wearing any kind of headset, but what you might spot is that I've actually got a little lapel microphone on. Now this is a super budget one. This is, again, it's nothing expensive. Price varies depending. When I bought this, I think it was about £18 sterling. It sometimes creeps up a little bit above that. Sometimes you get a little bit cheaper. The great thing about it is you can plug it directly into either your iOS or your Android smartphone, but I've actually currently got this plugged directly into my laptop. What I've discovered is that the same thing that makes it work with a phone, which only has a single 3.5mm jack for both output and input, is what makes it work with a laptop. I have used external microphones previously with a laptop, but what I discovered, or it was actually an audio cable, what I discovered was that if it's just like a normal microphone input, if your laptop doesn't have a separate microphone input, it has one of these combined headphone jacks the same way as a phone does, then you end up having to get a little USB audio card. Super useful, you can use them for other things, but it's just another bit of kit to have to mess about with. This wired lapel microphone, very long cable, so you can stand quite a long way away from it, but obviously I've just got it wrapped up a little bit and it's plugged directly into the headphone jack on the laptop and it works great. Now, the issue obviously that you get with a lapel microphone is that unlike the normal headsets that I wear, it doesn't have noise cancelling. It does have a little bit of an advantage in the fact it's clipped to my clothes. It's fairly close to me, but my wife is actually watching TV in the room next door. And if I was using just the normal laptop microphone for this, you would be able to hear the TV, because behind me, as regular viewers of this channel will know, I'm just standing in my dining room. There's a set of glass doors. It's not a solid wall. I've actually got the door open to the kitchen as well, and noise does bleed through. The way I'm getting around that is I'm using a piece of software called Krisp. I've done another video for that one, and I'll put a card up just with a link to that video. Then that allows me to do the noise cancelling, but done through software that's actually running on the PC. Have a look at that Krisp video. It's worth a look, but that's what's allowing me to do the noise cancelling here. Finally, the other little piece that I've got just to help things is I've actually got my Neewer LED light panel set up. That's sitting up on a tripod, as you can see from here, just over to my side. That just gives me some more illumination on here. And because I'm wearing, as you can see, a turquoise shirt in front of a green screen, then that makes sure that there's enough light on me that the Zoom software that's actually doing this virtual background behind me is nice and clear about what is actually me and what is the background. Again, I've done several videos on Zoom virtual backgrounds, and if you're finding that you're kind of flickering in and out, or you can see the background through you, very often it's down to lighting and it's down to contrast with the background. I am really pushing things a little bit by wearing a shirt which effectively has a bit of green in it. It's not a green shirt, just for a little bit of fun. I was actually playing with the piece of green screen cloth. And this is the green screen cloth that I had previously. So you can see, I can make myself disappear, or parts of me disappear. Great fun. This is just another alternative for you if you are doing Zoom calls, if you are doing trainings, if you just want just to be able to kind of get up and move about a bit. You don't have to be stuck at your desk all day. With the right kit, and yes, I know not everybody's got the space or necessarily the money to actually invest in it, but for those of you that do, tell me what you think. Drop a comment down below. Does this work for you? Would you use this? Do you think this is helpful? I hope it is. And my name's Gordon Mullen, Effective Remote Relationships, and I'll see you on the next one.